Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to enable USB tethering on Windows 11 so you can use your smartphone's internet connection on your laptop or desktop computer. Let's get started. Before connecting your phone, it is a good idea to turn off Wi-Fi on your computer. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar. Then click the Wi-Fi button to disable it. Alternatively, you can open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and turn off Wi-Fi from there. Now your computer is ready. Next, take your smartphone and connect it to your Windows 11 device using a compatible USB cable. You can use the original charging cable that came with your phone. Plug one end into your phone and the other end into a USB port on your PC. Now we will enable USB tethering on the phone. On an Android phone, open Settings. Click Connections, then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. The setting might be different on your phone. Now turn on USB tethering. As soon as you enable USB tethering, Windows 11 should automatically detect a new wired network connection. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. Instead of the Wi-Fi icon, you should now see an Ethernet icon. This means your computer is connected to the internet through a wired connection, which in this case is your phone via USB. That's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical and step-by-step tutorials on Windows, Android, and technology. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.